I'm William from BA Tents, and today I'll be showing you how to install your tire mounted accessory mount. So as you begin to run the strap through the rear tire side mounted plate, it's best to have a buddy help you hold it. That way you can get it to center, and it's a much easier job. The strap should be threaded in from the back side in, and this plate can be used to mount a variety of accessories. You can mount rotopacks, cans on there. You can put sand ladders on here. You can put a high lift on there. You can put a variety of shovels and tools, any kind of it's got a variety of patterns and holes where you can attach nearly anything to it.